Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can open workshop tools in CS2. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, if you have already installed CS2, you just need to go to library, right click on CS2, properties, DLC, and then make sure that this option is selected here, right? And after that, you just need to update your CS2 here. As you can see here, and then you just need to press play. Then, as you can see here, you need to select CS2 workshop tools, and then you can launch workshop tools. You can create new add-ons, edit add-on map, and launch tools, and do a bunch of different things. So yeah, that's pretty much it. What you need to do here if you want to open workshop tools in CS2. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.